Hey YouTube, what's up? Welcome back. So we're going to perform a little sound test experiment regarding the sound system of my Tesla Model 3 2021 standard range with my brother's Ford Mach-E, also 2021 Premium all-wheel drive. So it's actually a better car regarding the driving performance. It's also more expensive, and this is still the base model from Tesla. Both cars will be streaming the song. I will be streaming from Apple Music. The Mach-E will be streaming from Spotify, just to be clear on that. The EQ will be completely flat, volume at 50%, no editing, so no post-production at all in the sound editing. It was recorded with this headset, which actually records the 360 ambient sound, so you will be hearing exactly what we hear inside the car. So be sure to wear a good pair of headphones to notice the actual difference. Yeah, let's see how it goes. Which one do you think has a better sound? Let's find out. Well, do we have a winner? Leave a comment below. I would love to hear your opinion on which car had a better sound. For me, it's pretty obvious, but hey, you never know. People have different tastes. Hope you enjoyed this video and see you guys on the next one. Bye!